So I actually was looking for a good laptop what I should buy, and nothing better than Dell. So I bought this one. This is a Dell Inspiron 5410. So the packaging quite looks like this one. So as you can see, I bought it from the Dell website. So it looks, the packaging is quite good. I'm going to unbox this one for you guys. And there is another one box which is a surprise for me actually. It was quite a surprise for me. Actually unboxed it but wanted to show you guys. So as you guys can see, it's a nice backpack, to be honest. It's a 14-inch backpack. Let me unbox it. Let me unwrap the plastic and let me show it to you guys. So yeah, so the backpack looks very good, I have to say. The backpack looks really good, and you can see, nice, and it's in the back side so that nobody can actually access it without your permission. So it's a good step from Dell. And as you can see that there is a laptop sleeve which is there. So a nice backpack. Actually what you are getting is a good deal for the laptop, I guess. So now I will be moving to the laptop and will show it to you guys that what's in there. So yeah, back to the video. As you can see, this is quite compact packaging, and I'm going to unbox for you guys that what's in there and how the laptop actually looks. So I'm unboxing for you guys. So yeah, this is a airtight sealed package, and I guess it's good to make sure that there is nothing. Okay, this one is the charger, I guess. So this is a 65 watt, I guess. Yeah, 65 watt charger, and it will be good enough to charge your laptop very fast. And this is the socket with which you actually going to connect. So it's a good one. So now coming to the main part, I have to be very careful because I'm doing it by one hand. So I will do slowly rather. So let me remove the box. Yes, this is the one, and it will come out like this. So it's pretty compact, as you can see, it's pretty compact. So plastic wrap around it. What? It's too sleek. I have to say, it feels very sleek and it's very slim as well. Definitely you will feel a very, you are going to have a very premium feel after holding it. And this is the moment, guys. Let me see, we can open it by one hand or not. Oh, is it? It's got opened via one hand. Oh, and the display looks amazing, guys. The display really looks amazing. As you can see, there is no fingerprint sensor, but I have to say the keyboard layout is pretty good. As you can see, it looks like that, and I can tell you that the laptop looks amazing in hand and it feels very premium. So, and as you can see, there is a hinge which is pretty unique. Over here, it actually getting stand over the rubber bands and all, so it's pretty good. It's actually a matte finish display. So this laptop is actually having Core i5 11th Gen 11320H series Intel chip. I have bought it for 16 GB of RAM and iOS graphics with Windows 11 pre-built. So I guess it will be good enough for your coding needs. If you are a software developer, you need a machine, compact machine, to make sure that your works gets done, and try to get the 16 GB RAM version. I hope that it will make sure that it will meet your needs. Okay, I will sharing a review with you all. Keep in touch with my YouTube channel. Make sure that you are pressing the like button if you like the content, and subscribe for encouraging me to post some amazing videos regarding travel and technical gadgets. Thanks a lot. Have a good day ahead.